Hi guys, this is Mike and this is HTMCS, how to make a chess set. In this video you're going to learn how to make a chess king on the wood lathe. So let's get started. In every piece I make, the first thing I do is make a groove at the bottom of the base, and after that I turn the stem. With the free chisel I quickly remove material down to 16. So now I arrive at 16 over there. I need to give the shape and arrive at 8 down there. I will do everything with the spindle gouge. Now it's time to turn the base, and I will start by making a V-groove that separates stem and base. And after that I will turn the base from the center up to the V-groove and from the center down to the bottom. Before I move on to the next part, I like to sand it and fix all the imperfections. Usually when I reach this part, I slow down the lathe to do the neck rings. But this time, as the king is the bigger piece on the chessboard, that means that the neck rings are bigger as well. So I think it's worth a try to turn them at high speed. I'm using the free chisel to make the neck rings, and I try to be very careful with each ring. For the head, I'm switching back to the spindle gouge. Now we're almost there, we just need to do the cross, which seems very difficult, but in reality it's not, it's just a matter of following the shape. I'm using the free chisel as well for the cross, because this tool helped me to reach those tiny spaces. Time for sanding and apply the finish. Now it's time for the oil. I'm putting a cloth there to prevent any saw marks. Let's finish the cross by sanding it. Now I reapply the paste wax and the oil. So guys, this is my king. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to support the channel, don't forget to subscribe. There's the pop-up here up on the right. This way you won't miss my latest project.